Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable Windows PowerShell on your Windows 10 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu, type in Windows Features. Best match should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and left click on that. Scroll down this list until you get to Windows PowerShell. And go ahead and uncheck that box. Once you've unchecked that box, go ahead and select OK. And it says Windows completed the requested changes. Select Close. And if you restart your computer, the change should take effect and you have disabled it, and you would re-enable it the same way we just disabled it, except check marking inside of that PowerShell box. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.